here in the Central Plaza of Ajijic, and it is the Fiesta de San Andrés. So it is a novena, which is like this 9-10 day long celebration of the patron saint, San Andrés. So we're here to check it out. So we're a little bit early. You can see there's all kinds of shops, tiendas, selling all kinds of housewares, food, booze, everything you can imagine. So it'll definitely be picking up later tonight.
So in just a little while, all of these booths that you see here are going to be full of food and people dining on tacos and bolillos and Mexican food and just of all sorts, pozole and everything. So we'll hopefully be here long enough to show you all of that. And yes, that's not uncommon. What color would you prefer?
So it's 7 o'clock, and they just did the procession and everything into the church right behind us. And so now all the food vendors and everything are open. So I think we might be trying to get some food. I'm hungry.
Pizza! Just to set up shop right over here. What are we waiting for?
Tamales.
They're here.
Tamales. I know. I saw them coming in. You just need to make sure you can move quick because that's when they're coming through.
That's why I slowed down a little. What gets me is that there are people in this world who this is the last place they'd ever want to be. And this is the first place I want to be. It's just happiness and celebration and fun and religion mixed with history and indigenous roots. And it's just such a unique blend and a joyful atmosphere and music and fun and people holding hands and walking and noise, and it's wonderful. Buena suerte. Uno. No. Dos. He wants one of these. Nope. Malo.
I'm gonna do this.
This is gonna be a 2,000 peso
Yeah, but it's fun.
penne.
It's fun. Sí.
Está, ¿eh? Y aquí hasta allá se los alcancé a lo que le guste. Ahí está.
Uno más. ¡Ah! Felicidades. Felicidades. ¿Y tu regalo?
Moreno. Moreno.
Queda bien.
So that's a little bit of the Fiesta San Andrés here in Ajijic. It is a wonderful time. There's so much that's going on. It's an absolute blast. Those fireworks are really cool. What shows up on video is so much not, it's really not as good as it is in person. I know that. But it's a fantastic time. Come down here, have a blast. You're going to enjoy it. Now, we're going to walk through the plaza and head on home because I'm getting old. If you haven't already, go find your truly remarkable life.